Okay, it's gonna be very quick video. I'm gonna show you my incredible garden. This is summer 2026. Those are the purple beans. There's the climbing kinds, and there's the bush kind here. So I already picked some. I cooked and I ate. So there's a lot of them. Don't look at my farmer nails because it's all soil kind of dipped. Those are some beans I have in here. I picked 2 crops already. Some mints. Here are the blackberries, still working on it. There's some strawberries. Keep consuming it, but anyhow. And I have this, I believe it's a melon. I have tomato bushes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Some Thai basil, some purpurine, purslane. I think that this is a butternut squash, still growing. And this is the melon. It's gonna start to climb. I mean watermelon, not melon, sorry. I already picked my garlic from there. There's a long bean over there. I have Swiss chard. I have arugula and some type of lettuce. I have bush beans, which is a side dish. Some more of the Swiss chard. I have another melon. It has lots of flowers on them. This I'm gonna let it to seed so I can collect the seeds for next year. Some flowers. And let's go back here. This is, I believe it's a zucchini. Look at the size of each leaves that I have. Look at the size and the size of the beautiful flower. I just need bees to pollinate so I can get some nice squashes. So this is climbing. I don't know where it's gonna reach, but anyhow. So I have here eggplant. It's starting the flower to start getting the eggplants. Here behind me there's another eggplant bush down there. It's flowering again. Then I have this another big leaves, kind of not as much as big as the other one, but still big. I have this peppers, the jalapeno peppers, and those are, I believe it's a bell peppers. It's starting to come. Another type of bean that's climbing up there in my trusses. And I have some nice fresh mints. More purslane, sunflowers. Another type, those are banana peppers. By the way, I'm gonna make some good fattoush today with all this purslane that I have. What else I should show you? This is nettle, stinging nettle. I dry them for teas and some medicinal purposes. I use them fresh also. Relief pains. Those are the flat beans. I picked a lot and still keep coming. Keep coming, baby. So there's a lot blooming on this one. And there's this one also that's still climbing. What else? Here's some peas. One is dying, but I already took the beans out of it. Let's go to the other section of my garden. Let's see. Those are the cucumbers. Look at the beautiful yellow flowering of cucumbers I have. See? Pretty, eh? This one is a wild cucumber. It's not the typical cucumbers that you see it in the groceries. And there's another variety here of cucumber. My different type of lettuce. I believe this is Roman lettuce. I have the avocado trees growing here, more Roman lettuce coming, some cilantro. I think I forgot to show you the parsley, but I do have a parsley. This is Thai basil again. This is a just different basil, not Thai. Those are different basils. Here's some oregano, a purple basil, and thyme, one type of thyme, more parsley, and this is sage. That's the sage, and this is the rosemary, and there's another type of basil, and my olive tree. I think that's all.